Okay. Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I put this big stick for my tomatoes. Okay, I'm not expecting it to grow that big. I don't want it that big. I just want it as small as possible, but with tomatoes. And as you can see, they're giving tomatoes right there. The other plant over there has tomato, but it's very small. So I'm gonna wait for it to be bigger so I could show you. This is the biggest one, as you can see. The other thing that I wanted to show you is my Russian kale. I don't know if they're gonna be red, they're gonna be white, or what. I don't know what that means, you know. But I see them in the package is green in the top, so I don't know. But it has three. It has this one, the first one that came out, this one, and right here, there's a little reddish thing coming up. That's the kale. So this one didn't last too much. You know, they went in there and went right back out. So this was planted on the 17th. And yesterday, I noticed it gave plants. The plants started to come out. The other rest is still waiting to see if it's coming out or not. Okay, I'm started my next garlic because I'm going to be doing this all the time and I'm going to show you why. There goes my next garlic coming up. It has two shoots right there. It doesn't matter if in the middle it gets a little, how you call it, like a little fungus. It doesn't matter because what matters is these two balls. All this is going to die off anyway, so, you know. And now I'm trying it with garlic. Okay, this garlic is like a year old. I buried this a long time ago. It only had like a little root. Now it's starting. Now that I put it in water with the pellets, new roots coming out right there. And this is all supposed to peel off, and then it'll be one little ball, and that little ball will become the the next garlic. The other thing is that okay, let me show you this. Hold on. Okay, I'll put it in my lap. That, as you can see, let me show you. Right there is the ones that I cut and I planted. Here is the ones that I cut and planted. This one, not this one. This is a baby. This one is the one that I cut and planted. And there's a few of them right here. Let me see if I could get it. Okay, right here is another one that I cut and planted. And they're doing pretty good. You know, right there's another one right here. I can't see my finger right there. Okay, so they're coming out little by little. They do some of the leaves do get bad. You cut them off, you know, clean them out so they don't have to get stressed, and you just let them grow. That's how easy it is. I also noticed that there's babies coming out, like the one right there. I see it right there. So they're doing pretty good. And this is the reason why I'm doing more of these. Every time I cut an onion, I plant it. I'm gonna show you why. Because of this. Look how big this one is. Pretty soon this will be the first one to be eaten. I'll do the same thing. Cut it in half. Use one half for cooking and the other half for for growing again. If you do this system, you probably could do this pretty good. And you don't even have to buy onions. I don't buy garlic, coriander that much no more. I bought the other time to show how to, cut the bottom part and plant it. But it was a waste because after you put them in the refrigerator, they'll last like 4 or 5 days. So, it's not good. It's better to just plant them. And when you need coriander, you just cut it and cook. That's how easy. So this is why I'm doing the onions. And look at this one's the biggest one. It's almost getting pretty big. So that means that's going to be the first one that's going to be eaten. This one will probably be the second. Look how nice the bowl is. Nice and round. And this one, I don't know. Well, it still looks good. But I don't know how to get that brown stuff. I'm going to put more water tomorrow and see if I can clean it out because this was buried. So that's why it's like that. So that will be all for now. God bless you all. And hey, oh, wait, no. Hold on a second. I'm excited with my pepper. Look how big it's grown. And then you have 3 more over here. There's a baby one. This is a baby one. This is growing. And the other one's like the middle guy. And all these 3 flowers, they're going to fall off. You can't take them out. Not in the peppers. They're going to fall off. And then they're going to have more peppers. So I'm keeping it cool. I'm not messing around with them that much. You know, because every time I try to, like, oh, let me add more water, maybe he'll be happier, I mess it up. So I'm just looking at them. I notice that they're happy, and I'm going to just leave it alone. Okay, here, as you can see, you might say, what happened to the lettuce? I ate them. I ate all this bottom part. Now they're growing some new ones. Yeah, you got to provoke them before they die or get start tasting sour. It's better to cut them and eat them and let more grow on the side. I planted lettuce, but they still haven't come out. So also I found these little creatures. You know, this one, I don't know if this one is I have a feeling this is papaya for some reason. It's the way the shape is right there. And this one also I think is a papaya. Like that one, because their shape is very different, and I do think that this one is a tomato. I also buried this to see if it grows. The back one, I think it died. It's like halfway dead. While I had it in water, she was doing okay, but I took it out of the water, so now she don't like it. This one, I think it might give, and I hope it does. And then this is a pepper. This one is a pepper, but I'm not gonna tear them down. I'm just gonna, you know, because as you can see, I think right here, it's starting to get green. So I'm just gonna let it be and see if they grow. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.